Meaning of exit exam.
Exit exam.
Exit exam.
Exit exam.
Exit exam. An exit exam is a test that students must take in order to graduate from high school or college. The exam typically covers a wide range of subjects, including math, science, English, and social studies. The purpose of the exit exam is to assess students' knowledge and skills in these areas and ensure that they have a minimum level of proficiency before receiving their diploma. The result of the exam can determine whether or not a student graduates, and it may also affect their future opportunities such as acceptance into college or employment opportunities.